Hi fam, a very good morning and welcome back to my channel. So so it's a Sunday again and I'm riding today a small breakfast ride as you have already seen on the title. I know it was so long that I did a moto vlog. I was a bit stuck with my other tasks and was not able to take out some time for this. But yeah, and I promise you from now I'm gonna schedule everything and make sure that I drop each video every week. Let's just fill up some petrol. After this I will just meet you on the camera. So I just fueled up my bike. I need to go as soon as possible because I'm already too late. FYI, there is a speed cam on this road and the limit is 40 on this 3-lane road. What to do? The government does everything just to get fines from you, then you do anything and you're fined. Like, what can I say? What the fuck was that, bro? The fuck? I was so terrified, and this bike doesn't have ABS as well. Wow. My heart just stopped for a while. Oh god, just get us green. Sunday. And I hope you guys all have taken your vaccination. The kind of situation nowadays is not adequate, which we can do whatever we want. If we are alive, we should make sure that we are alive. So get vaccinated and stay safe. Wear a mask. Yo, we are at the place. We have just started from the showroom and we are going towards Mehdipatnam. I think we will go from Mehdipatnam road. Actually, we have a less strength because there is a festival going on in Telangana, which is Bonalu. So that's the reason few of riders dropped. Except that, everything is smooth like butter. So yeah, finally we are at Maidipatnam. Waiting for the signal to turn green. Once it is green, yeah. So yeah, just we had a small break here, and now we are all good to go. Come on, Vishal, get onto the bike. Chalo. Actually, I just installed a few mods for my GoPro. You might see a difference in the viewing angle, as I have kept two different mounts. It's a bit comfortable for me. If I will go and see the footage, I don't know how it's coming. If the footage is good, if everything works fine, I will make sure I keep this. So yeah guys, we have reached Harita Resorts here. We'll have some breakfast over there, and our bikes are lined up. As you can see, there is TRK 600i, Imperiale 300, Imperiale, and Vishal. And I forgot, you need to congratulate Vishal for his new bike. He bought a Dominar. Chalo, let's see you directly in the restaurant while having some breakfast. Chalo. So yeah, we are all geared up. Had some great breakfast here. Chalo, let's get onto the bike and continue the ride. We are thinking to get onto the viewpoint. Chalo, let's go. Guys, yeah, we are here again. We came to this temple, which is Buddha temple. Bugga. The name of the temple is Bugga temple. I'm sorry for the messy hair. So yeah, few of our mates went for the temple. I didn't went into the temple, but Vishal and me are standing outside and taking some awesome videos for reels. And I will also leave the Instagram link in the description below. You can just. So yeah, we are doing a small trek here into the fields. Don't know the exact location where we are going. And let me know how is the bag looking from the back side. It's the God backpack, riding backpack which I took. It's been a month now. It's quite good. Has lot of partitions inside it where you can keep your laptops and all. I think this is the starting of initial thing of Musi River. So actually this is the place where the Musi River starts actually. It continues for the 365 days. There is a board which Indra Vishali states that the water is a very important thing in our life and we need to preserve it.
This
So let
particular
me
place is
very spiritual.
exactly, and you can see over there Nandi. So the water flow will be for 3 days. It will never stop.
So you can see this point
Flow will be
where the water is coming from. So this comes for like 24 into 7 into 365 days. This goes into this pond and there is the exit vent. There is a temple of Mahashiva. That's it. Lots of greenery all around. So actually this wasn't surprise. This was not in the checklist. One of our mates know this. So that Bhaiya took us to this spot. It was so peaceful. We clicked few pictures and we just sat down for a while. And yes, now we are back on the way. You should come here, by the way, if possible. If there is a pin in the Google Maps, I will try to leave it in the description. If you want, you can just check it out. And if you are liking my content and want something more, you can just always comment down below and do let me know let me know what content do you want and what are the improvements that you want to see on my channel. Yes, I know. So please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you could get the notifications whenever I upload such beautiful content. And I'm sure that I would be regular from now. Like I will drop a single video each week. I will put my efforts into this and we'll see. Actually, the reason why I started YouTube was I just want to like secure all my memories together so that after few decades I could watch them sitting on a sofa on my TV. So that's how it started, and now we are here. Oh yeah. Chalo guys, that's it for today. We'll see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye, take care.